Hey everyone, it's Luron here and welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video I'll be doing a review of Tesla stock. Now Tesla stock has broken a key support level. Now if you've been following the stock market today, you would have noticed this key breakdown of the Tesla stock. Right around that 660, 665 level is where Tesla breached today and closed below that level, which spells trouble for that EV company, EV stock. Now, there is further confirmation on this breakdown. You know, if you look at Li Auto, Xpeng, and several other EV auto manufacturer, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. Now, in the past, when Tesla has broken these key levels after huge run-ups, the company usually drops about 20-30% in the next few months. So this is the exact situation that we have steering us down right now with the Tesla stock. Compound that with the fundamental troubles that the company has. I'm not sure if you guys reviewed the last earnings report back on April 26th. The company basically made money due to its Bitcoin sale, which is about 100+ million, and also they made some money from regulatory credits, which is what they do all the time. Now regulatory credits are drying up, and because of the competition, so many other auto manufacturers are making their own EV vehicles, so they'll stop purchasing these regulatory credits. Bitcoin, well, that's a toss-up, guys. Bitcoin can be at $60,000 next month, or it can be at $30,000 next month, which can spell a big loss for Tesla with its 1.5, I think 1.3 billion investment remaining in Bitcoin. So if you want to see the key technical breakdown as to why Tesla is in trouble right now because of this key breakdown that took place today, you certainly don't want to miss this video, guys. And remember, guys, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe so we can help the channel to grow. So stick around and we'll jump right into it, guys. Welcome back, guys. It's Luron here. Now, as I mentioned in the intro, guys, Tesla broke a key level today in the stock market, and it spells trouble for the Tesla stock. Let's jump right into it, guys. I'll make this video very short and concise and to the point, so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. So this is the wedge setup, guys. If you look at Tesla stock, the run up for the past year and a half has been like nothing you've seen in the past. Look. For the past 468 days, this stock is up 1,687%, just ridiculous. For this year, obviously, the stock topped out earlier this year and then just declined. You can see here declined 40%. Now it's set up a wedge formation here. You can see we have multiple touches on the resistant end, and then we have multiple touches right here on the support end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have two sets of support. This is the this was one of the secondary support, and then this is the primary one. Now this is the primary one because this is the last candle that touched here, right? So the stock had some wiggle room to play with. Now this morning, as you can see here, the stock opened right in between these support lines. Look where it closed, guys, right outside. This is disaster. This is downhill for this stock right now. There's no recovery. So what the stock will probably try to do the next couple of days is probably push up back and test this line or any one of these two lines, and then it'll just rip lower. In the past, this company, when it broke down from these key support levels, the company would lose to 20-30%. Let me show you guys a quick snapback in its history. Like Warren Buffett has a famous quote. He said, "The rear view mirror is always clearer than the windshield." So all that means, guys, is when you look back, all the answers are there in the back. So this is back in 2015. Big run up, wedge setup. The stock broke down the wedge, and you can see here the stock just rolled, a couple bounces, but it just went lower. It ultimately recovered and went back higher, but I'm talking about the next 2 to 3 months, the stock is going lower. In this case, the stock lost 21%. You had another case here where it made a run, created another wedge, and then the company folded on the wedge right here again. This time it lost 36% before it recovered, aggressively. So that's what I wanted to show you guys in this video. The past, it's clear about what this company did in the past, and now it has broken a key. If you notice here, all these wedges, the company breaks to the upside. Wedge, break to the upside, wedge, break to the upside, wedge, break to the upside, again. This time around, didn't break to the upside. And these wedges are for real, guys. When they break to the upside, they move higher. Look here, we had 100% move to the upside the last time the stock break out of the wedge to the upside. Now it's breaking to the downside. Watch out. So if you let me jump to what you can do here. If you're looking to short this stock, you can just buy a flat out stock, short this, and it'll go lower. If you're buying options, maybe we're looking at 2 to 3 weeks options will get you paid. You don't want to go too far out of the money. I would look at the 565 and also the 600 strike, and I'll probably hold that for 2 weeks or so. But it's clear that this company is rolled over and now it's moving to the downside. Something to reinforce what I'm talking about here is Li Auto. So this is part of the EV stock as well out of China. They were holding support steady as well, and you can see here it broke down the key support level. Same thing for XBEV, holding key at the support level here, broke down. We had NEO holding steady at their support as well, broke down today. So the correlation is clear. You don't have to look further to see whether this is a breakdown or just a simple pullback. The breakdown is across the board with all the EV stocks, well, the key EV stocks. So it's time to pull the trigger. For me, I took a position today as this will roll over. Any bounce that I get up into these resistance line, I'll be adding to my position. But like I said, we can expect this stock to roll over 20 to 30%. So we're talking about, if we go, let's say 25%, let's go to midpoint, we're looking at about 490. So this stock will probably be at $500 in the next month to 2 months, easily. So that's it, guys. I wouldn't go into anything further. The fundamentals, I'll leave that up to you guys to go do your review to see what exactly from a fundamental standpoint this company is up against. Like you guys know, back in April 26th, this company reported its earnings, and the company made money from the sale of Bitcoin and also from the sale of regulatory credits. But as you guys know, regulatory credits are going away. So once that's gone, this company doesn't make money. So tell me exactly how Tesla is making money, and then we'll have a real conversation. But it's a popular stock, so it'll keep having these, it's a growth company and people like the company, they like the vehicles. It'll continue to be a big runner. But right now, I'm talking about right now, this stock is folding to the downside. So expect a 20 to 30% drop in this stock. So that's it, guys. I'll wrap this one up. I wouldn't go any further. And at least you guys see exactly what I'm talking about with the Tesla play. And remember, guys, this is for entertainment purposes. It's not investment advice. So do your own due diligence before you make a trade. So we'll wrap this one up. If you're new to the channel, guys, remember to subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button so we can help the channel to grow. And until next time, peace out.